Have you ever wondered what lies beyond the limits of our own vision? The world we see every day is only a fraction of the full picture. Today, we're going on a journey into the hidden universe, revealing the smallest secrets of life as they appear under the microscope. Prepare to be amazed. Our journey begins with the building blocks of life cells. These tiny units, invisible to the naked eye, are the foundation of all living things. When magnified, cells reveal a complex world of structures and processes. We see the nucleus, the control center, the bustling cytoplasm, and the intricate organelles, each with its own role in keeping the cell alive. Under the microscope, a simple cell transforms into a dynamic universe of its own. Next, let's explore the world of bacteria. These single-celled organisms are everywhere, from the soil beneath our feet to the air we breathe. Under the microscope, bacteria appear in various shapes and sizes, rods, spheres, and spirals. We can observe their movement, their interactions, and the amazing adaptations that allow them to thrive in diverse environments. Some are beneficial, others harmful, but all are fascinating. Viruses, even smaller than bacteria, are another realm of microscopic wonders. These are not technically alive, but they hijack cells to replicate. Under the microscope, viruses appear as intricate structures, often with complex protein shells and genetic material inside. Seeing them up close reveals the cunning ways they infiltrate and manipulate cells, highlighting the delicate balance of life and disease. Now let's move into the plant kingdom. Plant cells have unique features, like chloroplasts, where photosynthesis takes place. Under the microscope, we can observe the orderly arrangement of cells in plant tissues, the vibrant green of chloroplasts, and the intricate structures of plant cells. It's a testament to the beauty and complexity of the natural world. Finally, let's look at the wonders within us. Human cells, like those from blood or skin, reveal a diverse landscape under the microscope. Red blood cells, carrying oxygen, appear as smooth, circular discs. Skin cells, constantly renewing themselves, reveal a mosaic of cellular structures. Observing these cells up close offers insight into the inner workings of our own bodies and the amazing processes that keep us alive. The microscope opens a window into a hidden universe, revealing the intricate beauty and complexity of life at its smallest scales. From the bustling activity within a cell to the elaborate structures of viruses, this hidden world is a source of endless wonder and scientific discovery. So the next time you look at the world around you, remember that there's an entire universe waiting to be discovered, one microscopic secret at a time.